ages 7 to 8. Let's give a nice car welcome to act number 232, Cupcake Social Club.
Now, we'd like to welcome you to the super fun and yummy Cupcake Social Club. Welcome to our social. Slide into your booth. We hope you brought your friends and your sweet tooth. Are you a member of the Cupcake Social Club? We're all here today out of pure cupcake love. We're socially responsible for keeping things so sweet. Our cupcakes have such flair and our club is so elite. It's easy if you try it. Help us bake them if you wish. Mix a batter, bake them up, and eat them. They're delish. The Cupcake Social Club is meeting here today. We bake up all our cupcakes in the most amazing way. Lots of glittery frosting and pink sprinkles galore. These cupcakes are so yummy. We want more. Now let's break it down to the cupcake beat.